Hello, it's Steve from Airplane Envy. Today I wanted to introduce you to the Cockpit Grip. This device makes getting in and out of your airplane for you and your passengers safe and easy. You just pick it up, insert it in the striker, straighten it up on the sill, and you've got a firm handhold to get out of the airplane. No more getting on your knees. You can go right from your seat to your feet in no time. Cockpit grips are currently available for the Piper Comanche singles and twins. They're available for the PA-28s and soon be available for the PA-32 and the Bonanza and the Baron models. In the future, I hope to have cockpit grips available for your type of low-wing aircraft. The cockpit grip is made of powder-coated steel with a foam grip and weighs in at about 2¼ pounds. Cockpit grip is currently available for the Piper Comanche singles and twins and also the PA-28 with the narrow striker. Cockpit grips are currently available for your airplane at airplaneenvy.com.